In this video, we're going to be talking about Ecomi. We're going to be analyzing the price of Ecomi to see where price is going, as price is currently up 12.19% at the time of recording. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. As I'm trying to hit 600 subscribers. And as well as that, before investing into Ecomi, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on CoinMarketCap, let me refresh the page. Ecomi is currently up 15.25% at the time of recording. You can see here on the daily chart that pretty much price was bearish. We were into the bearish zone, and then from then onwards, price pretty much just went parabolic with Ecomi. We will have a more depth analysis in a few moments on TradingView, so give me a few seconds. So yeah, you can see here that we pretty much on the weekly we were bearish, and then from this overall bullish momentum, pretty much parabolic, straight parabolic move, you can see here that we managed to tap up into the green zone. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis, you can see here that price did tap up into this very strong demand zone. What happened, it respected this demand zone, and then from this, price did cause a huge reaction, showing that there is loads and loads of buyers within this region. It's looking good for Ecomi. If we go over to the daily, you can see here, but if we drop into like the 1 hour to have a bit more in-depth analysis, you can see here that price did really pretty much liquidated everyone, all of these weak sellers within this region. And it's not looking too good. It's not looking too bad for Ecomi. It's looking good actually. In my opinion, I feel like that now Ecomi has regained the strength, and pretty much all of the buying momentum. We could possibly have another push towards upside, possibly even reaching the highs of 0.008 essentially, because we did tap up into this region 3 times, and we pretty much failed each time. So hopefully for in the 4th time lucky, we can reach past and pretty much break through it, because I'm thinking that now like the overall crypto market is starting to recover. You can see here that Bitcoin is starting to make an accumulation schematic. So yeah, it's looking good, as hopefully the overall market can start to become bullish again, but it's just an overall cycle, so we're just gonna have to wait and see how this plays out. So looking here, you can see here that price pretty much just went straight parabolic from this, which is really nice. It means that there is loads and loads of buying momentum. I did initially have a accumulation schematic set out, but it looks like price pretty much invalidated this retest, so therefore pretty much invalidating this. It's not invalidating the schematic. We did have an overall pretty much a push towards upside, but we failed to break through the selling climax and all this stuff. So we're just gonna have to wait and see and how this plays out for Ecomi, as it's looking really nice. As well as that, we've got to take into consideration that the current market conditions, the overall market is pretty much down. I think let's quickly go over and check the market cap. Let's quickly go over. So you can see the market cap is 1.74 trillion. That's well below the 2 trillion mark. But I feel like once we start reaching the 2 trillion mark, and I feel like Ecomi should start to reach back up into those highs. But it just depends on the overall market. You never know what could happen. We could pretty much see a huge impulse coming through, or a huge crash, because you know how it is, the Russia-Ukraine stuff is pretty much going crazy. You can see gold pretty much reaching highs as well, which is really crazy. If you trade that, then you would know. But looking at Ecomi right now, it's looking good for Ecomi. Pretty much very slow momentum coming towards the downside, but it looks like we've now finally had a break of structure, which is really nice for Ecomi. Other than that, nothing major occurring, but hopefully we can break through this and pretty much liquidate all of this, pretty much close above this. I hope we close above this. I hope that we don't just wick through it, because if we wick through, then it's just giving a little it's not a strong show. It's not a strong like show in buying momentum, whereas a closure above all this price action will show that there is possibility of price to go even higher. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to 600 subs, and peace.